Hello, I'm Sarah. I use the Lewis model to adapt my training for international groups. Now, Poland falls mainly into the linear active category, but Polish trainees often combine structure with a strong sense of pragmatism and loyalty. Here are 7 tips for working with them effectively. 1. Be punctual. Starting and finishing on time shows respect and professionalism. 2. Provide clear structure. Outline your session step by step and set clear objectives. 3. Be precise. Polish trainees appreciate accuracy in instructions, examples, and materials. 4. Encourage direct but polite communication. They can challenge ideas openly, but usually with respect. 5. Build rapport gradually. Small talk is appreciated, but keep it professional. 6. Follow through consistently. If you promise resources or follow up, deliver on time to build trust. 7. Balance formality and friendliness. A professional tone is important, but showing warmth helps engagement. So, with Polish trainees, combine structure, clarity, and professionalism with subtle rapport. This approach builds respect, encourages participation, and creates a positive learning environment.